days to be saying our grace. Our family can gather, the smiles in their faces. Our loved ones have departed, but they are remembered by offering prayers, candles and flowers. Cattleya Gardens and Memorial Park, a place for our loved ones to rest peacefully. Cattleya Gardens and Memorial Park, a place to remember our loved ones eternally. See the beauty of life by connecting with nature. Consider the environment and other things to nurture. Connect with oneself, with loved ones, and understand the perfect resting place for each and every one.